One lovely morning, Thomas's hanged-up engine crawled into the engine shed. Beep, beep, went the other engines. They were all pleased to see Thomas. Keep the running noise down, said Thomas. Don't you see I got a hungover? My head feels like a gymnast bum. It's splitting. A lot more body, added Gordon. Are you coming to the station, Thomas, to pick up some more jolly folk from the town? Stop that, said Thomas. I need a drink. Hellfire! I'm hallucinating again, he said with a big difficulty. Fill us up, Mr. Water Tank. Brrr, said Thomas without moving his lips. That's your share, Thomas, said the water tank. Unless you don't mind getting Gordon's. Okay, said Thomas. But easy on the bitch of lemon. Right. I'm off to the sidings. Thomas enjoyed his daily trips to the sidings, even though it was a rotten, silly envelope bub. As Thomas pulled up to the sidings, he saw Jeremy the pink engine. Boop, boop, said Jeremy. There's no need to advertise, said Thomas. Just then, the fat controller walked down to the tracks. What's all this locomotion? He asked grumpily. Mind your own business, you fat controller, said Thomas. And before he could say the train now standing, Thomas shoved forward, running over the fat controller's finger, killing him instantly. Well, he was picking his nose at the time. Just then, Thomas spotted Andy and Clarabelle coming down the tracks. Cool, said Thomas. Look at the mind on that, said Thomas, talking his dollars then. Said Jeremy. I don't fuzzy mind much. Hey up, girls, leered Thomas. Are you coming back to the station for a few Baileys or what? Oi, look out, Thomas! Look out! You're gonna jig that Excedio, said Jeremy, and threw a bucket of water over them. Uh-oh, here comes PC Pullman. What's going on here, Thomas? Have you been drinking? No, sir, said Thomas. You probably threw her up. And with that said and done, Jeremy went out to become a hairdresser, and Thomas was put back on the wagon and set straight to the Betty Ford scrapyard.